Aiarty has an image enhancer that takes your low quality blurry photos and sharpens them into high quality without changing how the image looks. Let me show you in this video how it works. First, go to the description of this video and download Aiarty image enhancer on your device for free. Now it has few AI models, more detailed GAN V3 for clarity and sharpness, AIGC Smooth V3 for AI generated images, Real Photo V3 for restoring original details, and Face Restoration for bringing back lost facial details. Alright, let's open the app. This is the interface. On the right side, you have all your settings, and here is where you upload your images. So I have this image here. Looks fine from distance, but the moment you zoom in, there is no detail and it gets blurry. Let's fix that. Select your hardware, then in the AI model, I'm going with the more detailed GAN V3 model. Set the upscale to 4x, turn on 2-pass processing, and select more detailed GAN V3 again for extra power. Now hit start. And after a few seconds, here is the result. Way sharper and all the lost details are back. Just look at the before and after. Insane difference. Now if you want to adjust the color, you can do that too. And then there is export settings. Set it to your preference and click single export to save your image. Next, I have this AI generated image and I want to make a printed poster out of it, but the quality is very low and it's definitely not going to look good. So let's go to the AI model and this time select AIGC Smooth V3. Upscale to 4x, turn on 2-pass processing and select more detailed GAN V3 again and hit start. And just look at this, way sharper and way better. Now I can easily print this and it will look perfect on my wall. While exporting your image, you can also adjust the DPI setting so your prints come out sharp and clean. Now I have this photo, perfectly shot but the quality is very poor and I want to restore all the details. So let's select Real Photo V3, upscale to 2x, turn on 2-pass processing with the same model and hit start. And this is the output. This is not fake, you can try it yourself. It's honestly hard to believe how easy it is to restore a low quality photo like this. Now for the final feature, I have this AI generated image. Looks amazing, but when you zoom in, the quality drops and the face looks completely flat. For this, I'm going to use face restoration. First, let's try the fidelity model. Before I hit this start, I'll switch the AI model to more detailed GAN V3, then I'll upscale it to 4x. Then turn on 2-pass processing for better quality. Below that, you can also control the AI strength so your image doesn't start looking fake or over-processed. After that, I'll fine-tune the color setting to get the perfect look. And then just hit start. The face already has more detail and looks much cleaner. Now let's try the rebuild model. Also amazing, it perfects the facial features even more. For an AI generated image, this is really impressive. I also tried this on another image, just look at what it did. Isn't this crazy? And if you want to enhance multiple pictures at once, there is batch export as well. If you want to try this tool for free, the link is in the description. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one.